Speak mais. Gok. Aray mo. Aray. Aray mo. Aray ko. Gok.
Hello, today I am facing off against my friend Jetski in Steal a Brain Rot. Guess who? The rules are simple. Each one of us will pick a brain rot from our base.
Speak
The other
mais.
person has to figure out
Speak.
which brain rot by asking yes or no questions. Also, we have the exact same brain rots in both of our bases. And whoever can win 2 rounds first will win 100,000 Robux from
Boom, baklat.
This is going to get...
Aray mo. Aray ko.
Hello.
Bumbagsak.
Secret?
Aray
When I was a
ko.
kid, I was always late to school. In fact, I was late so often that I would literally get detentions for not showing up on time. But now that I'm 21, it's been a long time since I was in school. And honestly,
Aray.
so today we were playing
Aray.
Roblox late to school. This
Bumbagsak.
literally feels like I'm a child.
Sa test nyo.
Make it
Aray
to school
mo.
on time. Get off.
Speak. Aray.
Today, me and my friend Jetski are answering the
Aray.
questions.
Aray ko. Aray mo.